This is Science Week 30, Day 2, and we're going to continue talking about the stars and sun and their relationships and distances from the Earth. As you know, and as you remember, and certainly know by now, when you see the little audio symbol there, that means that you can touch that and the article will be read to you. And of course, you can always read it yourself. So this article talks a little bit about different sizes and distances from Earth. This other one is an example here of a star and the sun, and maybe if you lit candles and had someone walk to the far side of the room, you could kind of get a little bit of an idea of how that works. Actually, not a good idea to do unless your parents give you permission to do that, but an interesting just thing to think about. There's a video here that is talking about scale, to understand the scale of the universe, because the distances are so huge. And what that means is that instead of saying it compares, using scale, putting something to scale is comparing something that we know to something else that we know so that we can get a better understanding of it. Those distances in the universe are so big that really for most of us, we can't even comprehend what that distance looks like. So this is a video about that. And another video here, that a little simulation that you can do to explore the scale of the solar system. So actually really kind of cool things to do and to play with. And then the last thing it is, we revisit the question you were asked on the first day, which is about the sun being the size of a grapefruit. How far would the nearest star be? And if now, based on everything that you've seen and everything that you know, would your answer change? So that's the question on that, and that is the end of day 2.